This is Laura. Today we will introduce AOI inspection. AOI means Automated Optical Inspection. It's a device that detects common defects encountered in soldering production based on optical principles, and is very efficient at detecting print quality, placement quality, and solder joint quality. Generally, each SMD line will be equipped with an AOI inspection equipment behind in order to ensure the quality. If a PCB board is detected with leakage or false soldering, workers will mark the defective area with a red arrow style sticker, and then an IPQC will check and repair and correct the problem in time. Usually, the AOI pass rate of our production line is above 98%. All boards will be transferred to the IP shop for plug-in process after finishing the SMD process.